You remember कि हमें जब हैंड वॉश करने थे तो हमें क्या बोलना था? You remember?
ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ओम शांति 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 शांति।
Done. Very good. So when you're telling your child to wash the hands for 20 seconds, हम अपने बच्चों को सिखा ही रहे हैं कि 20 seconds तक हाथ धोने हैं, तो बजाय कोई नर्सरी पोएम या किसी और चीज़ के, why can't we tell them and why can't we educate them to chant a mantra? क्योंकि it's not just about the sound, it's also about the meaning. जब आप किसी मंत्र को बार बार चैंट करते हैं तो your brain gets programmed for it. आपके दिमाग में वही vibrations, वही affirmation बन जाता है. That becomes your affirmation. So rather than, singing a song while you're washing your hands, you can actually chant something like, Gayatri mantra or anything that you have believe in, or a simple affirmation. I'm healthy, I'm happy, I'm prosperous. And you can, sing it and very happily you can do it. Say something which is meaningful. Also another request, while we are fighting coronavirus, that should not happen कि हम पानी को खुला रखें जब तक हम अपने हाथ को रब कर रहे हैं सोप से. Don't do that. Make sure you don't waste water. What is the point of fighting against coronavirus and getting into a situation जहाँ पे हमें पानी की scarcity हो जाए? Let's be responsible. Let's be responsible residents. Let's not waste water. Take full precautions and avoid social gatherings. I hope in a very, very calm and composed mind, you're able to fight coronavirus.